Hey, this is just on the fly. This has been on my mind for I don't know, a week or two. But um, like all this, um, I don't know. It feels like self-help videos on YouTube, and like also, I guess blogs. I haven't seen any blogs or like articles from like psychology kind of spaces, mental health spaces. Um, like I don't really get the perspective of like needing hmm, like how we relate is it seems to be getting or it seems to be um, like in a stagnant position. Um, like it's a lot of read this book and you'll know what you'll know how to get friends or whatever. Or it's like um, here's a specific term for handling this specific situation, but it's like it's always just like a technique, like a skill, like you hold, like you do a skill in relating, and that's not real. Like from my perspective, that's like not very. Hmm, I won't say healthy, but like it's not very um, alive. Like it's not. Um, it doesn't allow for um, I don't really know like dance, play, whatever word fits there. But like all this like do this technique or skill or read this book or whatever, like it just it like flattens and like kind of deadens like relationships and like how people relate to each other and themselves and also how they relate to the environment. But yeah, it's always like words like manage, like how to manage this, how to absorb this, how to respond, um, how to set this, like those kind of words. And then I saw a video, yeah, from it was like a yesterday or the day before, but like it was a healthy gamer video, and like it's talking about holding space, like as if it's a technique or like it may be a skill, but like it's not really a technique. It's like saying like techniques to relate to people is not, I don't know, like that kind of thinking and like feeling about how people, like how relationships work, like ordinary relationships and like meaningful relationships as well. Like that kind of thinking and feeling like um I don't know how to put it other than like it hurt, like it what hurts me, like my body, it hurts my everything. And then like barely anyone talks about like relating relationships and relating to people as like encountering or meeting or sharing or offering or receiving or negotiating or um, um, placing, um, being with rather than being there. Like obviously there's give and take, but like there's a lot of nuance to it. And then like people even, I don't know, it's horrible. And then um they even turn listen like basic listening to like like a technique. Like if people say, if whoever you're talking to says this specific something specific, you repeat what they said. Like I don't know. Like I don't know. Like from my experience and understanding, like people have their own like tensions inside them, and then the like you have a tension inside of you, the other person has tension inside of you, the relationship has tensions, and like all these tensions are made up of like different rhythms. Well, it should be that way from my understanding, but yeah, it's like I don't know, it's like very manualized. Like people seem to like all this self-help psychology help mental health stuff is like it basically boils down to like this video is a book, a manual, and you should study each letter and memorize every punctuation mark. And once you've done that, get get stuck on a loop on each page number. And then like when you encounter something out in the world, recite each page number until you get the right answer. I don't know. It's I don't know. This is I don't know. I see it very. I see it as very bothersome and quite a large problem in like how like the videos should exist, but like they're allowed to exist. Those type of videos and books are allowed to exist, but like I don't know. I feel the like the audience is too large, like too large for that type of content, and like too large for that type of um Yeah, I don't really like the people that consume that kind of stuff. And I say consume as like they don't really um, like adapt it into their own experience. They just like they like this is from what I've seen in like online spaces and like the videos and comments and stuff. But like I don't know, it becomes like a drill, like like you know how the army have drills and then they it becomes like muscle memory. It's like that. It's like it shouldn't be that way, but apparently it is. Yeah. Uh, like I don't know. I don't know if like this is really an appropriate video, but like I don't know. I just have to get it off my shoulders, chest, whatever you want to call it, and I don't know. Probably come up with other stuff that might be not as loaded as this video, but yeah, it's just yeah. I'll see. You.